In this video, I will show you how to round corners in Photoshop Elements. This process can be used for creating tags, bookmarks, collage sheets, journaling cards, or other ephemera products. A link to the image that I have used here is in the description below, and you can download it and use it for free. Just so that we start in the same place, make sure to be in the Advanced mode, or previously called an Expert mode. I have Tools panel on the left and Layers panel on the right. If you do not see these panels, then go to Window, click on Layers, and then go again, click on Tools, and you should see exactly the same screen. The easiest way to open the image is to drag and drop the file on the Photoshop element, and that's pretty much as. On Tools panel under Modify, click on the Crop tool. So let's change the Crop tool to Cookie Cutter tool. And you can do it here in the Tools option on the bottom of the screen. Currently we have Crop tool, so just press the one which says Cookie Cutter tool. Right next to Cookie Cutter tool, we see a shape. And this is the shape that Cookie Cutter tool will cut out of the image. To the right of this shape, we can see a down pointing arrow or a custom shape picker. So if you click on it, we can see some shapes, and shapes are organized by category. Currently we are in the default shape. What we want is a rounded rectangle, and we can find it both ways. We can go to All Elements, Shapes. For me, this is a bit overwhelming, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go to Shapes, click on the rounded rectangle, and that's us with choosing the shape. The best option here is to use Unconstrained, but we've got 3 other options, 4 in total. Unconstrained will allow us to draw the rectangle without any limitations in size. One more detail worth to remember is to have the crop box ticked. So I'm just gonna tick it. Initially, what it does is after the shape is drawn and cropped, it will reduce the background. So let me show you here. Let's draw a shape. As you can see, it's reducing the background after we approve it. I'm just gonna press Ctrl+Z to undo the Cookie Cutter tool, and let's just untick it. And again, draw a rectangle shape, approve it, and that's with the crop box unticked. For my workflow, which is creating tags and journaling cards, having this box ticked is crucial in saving time. I hope that you liked the video. Thanks so much for watching.